You've taken a powerful step toward a healthier life, and now it's time to fuel your body with the right foods. You've made a significant step toward a healthier lifestyle, and now it's time to nourish your body with meals that support your journey. After bariatric surgery, your meals should be high in protein, low in carbohydrates, and easy to digest. But that doesn't mean they can't be delicious. Today, I'll guide you through some tasty, bariatric-friendly meals, from breakfast to dinner, and show you how to prepare them. Let's get started. First up, oatmeal with protein powder and berries. This hearty breakfast is warm, filling, and packed with nutrients. What you need: half a cup rolled oats, 1 scoop protein powder, vanilla or unflavored, 1 cup water or unsweetened almond milk, a 1/4 cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. How to make it: in a pot, combine oats and water, or almond milk, and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for about 5 minutes until thickened. Stir in protein powder and cinnamon. Top with berries before serving. Why it works: oats provide fiber for digestion, while the protein powder boosts your intake, making this a balanced start to your day. Next, try a cottage cheese bowl with pineapple. Ingredients: 1 cup low-fat cottage cheese, half a cup fresh pineapple chunks, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. How to make it: in a bowl, combine cottage cheese and pineapple. Top with chia seeds for added fiber. Why it works: cottage cheese is rich in protein, and pineapple adds a touch of sweetness along with digestive enzymes. First, let's make a turkey and spinach salad, light but filling. Ingredients: 3 ounces sliced turkey breast, deli meat or cooked, 2 cups fresh spinach, a 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes halved, and 1 tablespoon balsamic vinaigrette. How to make it: in a bowl, combine spinach, turkey slices, and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette before serving. Why it works: this salad is high in protein from turkey and packed with vitamins from spinach, perfect for a midday boost. Another great option is quinoa and black bean bowl. Ingredients: half a cup of cooked quinoa, half a cup of canned black beans, rinsed, a 1/4 of an avocado, sliced lime juice, and cilantro for garnish. How to make it: in a bowl, layer quinoa and black beans. Top with avocado slices and drizzle with lime juice. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Why it works: quinoa is a complete protein source, while black beans add fiber, keeping you satisfied longer. Let's prepare stuffed bell peppers, a colorful and nutritious option. Ingredients: 2 bell peppers, any color, 1 cup cooked lean ground turkey or chicken, half a cup cooked brown rice or cauliflower rice, half a cup diced tomatoes, canned or fresh, and spices: cumin, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. How to make it: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Slice the tops off the bell peppers and remove seeds. In a bowl, mix ground turkey, rice, diced tomatoes, and spices. Stuff the mixture into the bell peppers. Place in a baking dish and bake for about 30 minutes until peppers are tender. Why it works: these stuffed peppers are high in protein from the turkey and provide essential nutrients from the vegetables. Another delicious dinner option is grilled chicken with asparagus. For the ingredients, you'll need 4 ounces of chicken breast, 1 cup of asparagus spears, and some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Here's how to make it: preheat your grill or grill pan. Season the chicken with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then grill it until cooked through, which should take about 6 to 7 minutes per side. Toss the asparagus in olive oil and grill until tender, which will take about 5 minutes. Why does it work? Well, chicken is a lean protein, while asparagus provides vitamins and minerals, great for recovery. First up, almond butter celery sticks. Spread almond butter on celery sticks for a crunchy snack that's high in healthy fats. Next, we have hummus with carrot sticks. Pair hummus with fresh carrot sticks for a protein-rich dip that's also fun to eat. Here are some final tips for success. First, eat slowly and mindfully. Take your time during meals. It helps with digestion and satisfaction. Second, stay hydrated. Aim for at least 64 ounces of water daily, but avoid drinking right before or after meals. Third, experiment and enjoy. Keep meals exciting by trying new recipes or ingredients regularly. And now, a final call to action. Want more exclusive recipes tailored just for you? I've compiled an ebook of 15 bariatric-friendly recipes designed to keep you on track while enjoying every bite. Sign up for my newsletter today to receive new recipes each month, expert tips for bariatric health, and support on your journey toward wellness. Click the link below for your bonus recipes. Let's make this year your healthiest yet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.